I've just come back from Dubai. I was flown out by one of my clients, Coin Bureau, which is the largest crypto channel on YouTube, and I've been consulting with them for the last 7, 8 months. No, don't worry. That doesn't mean that this channel disappears. What it does mean is that this channel has ended up being a experimental ground for the last 2 years. You may have noticed some mini documentaries. You may have noticed some how-to guides. You may have noticed some funny news. What I use this channel for is a way to test ideas of how you would grow a YouTube channel, how a niche works. And then once I have those statistics, I then teach them to either my clients or to my consultancy people. I then make videos here to help people as well. So I will continue to do that, but you may notice a shift slightly in the content. I have also started losing weight after having hit almost 27 stone at the start of this year. I decided that I needed to take hold of my own health for the sake of me and my children and my future. I have my own weight loss channel, which I've been kind of semi-hiding. I hadn't directly promoted here. For everyone that has arrived on the weight loss channel, including Steve, you know who you are. Then yes, there is a link down below, or you can search for Alan Spicer is Losing It, and you can see me give brutally honest advice on my weight loss. So far, spoilers, I've gone from 375 pounds to around about 348 pounds. So around about 2 stones worth of weight loss in about 3 months. And I'm feeling better for it. I want to continue making videos here, but I also wanted to be honest and open of how it works. So there are 1,000 odd tutorials on this channel to help you with everyday needs of everything that you possibly want to grow on YouTube. But I'm also going to start sharing a little bit more of my sarcastic side. So you'll be seeing a little bit more news, a little bit more funny. When there's something YouTube related, I'll post it on here as well. And yeah, we can hang out a little bit more. If you need help growing your YouTube channel and you want to work with me one-on-one, then check out my website. There's a link in the description down below, or go to alanspicer.com. If you're a company and you want help growing, then you can see all of these silver play buttons that I've got for clients, not myself, to prove that I can grow a YouTube channel. And I even went to Dubai to lick the gold play button that I've helped Coin Bureau get, along with a silver play button for their main channel and soon a silver play button for their trading channel. But anyway, that's enough of that. Is that a humble brag? I don't know. I'm old and I don't get how these things work anymore. I just wanted to let you know that if you found the contents a jumble, but you're still enjoying it, then great. Thank you very much. If you want tips on weight loss, then please, by all means, go and check out my other channel. That would mean the world to me. That channel has grown to 700 subscribers in around about 2 months from a standing start. You can go and check out the strategies I use to grow that channel. And it's got nearly 85,000, 90,000 views in 3 months from nowhere. As I said, I didn't promote it here at all, mainly so I could use it as a case study as well. So once again, you can go and look over there and you can see how I grew that channel and maybe implement it on your own thing. I'm Alan. I'm losing it. Oh, no, wrong channel. Take care. Goodbye.